Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change profile picture on YouTube. The first thing you should do when building a YouTube channel is upload a recognizable profile picture. After opening your video, users' eyes will likely wander down to the channel the video was posted on. If you have a generic profile picture that hasn't been changed, it says you're either too lazy to change it or don't know how to change your YouTube profile picture. So, let's change it. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Then, tap your current profile picture. It's in a circle at the top right corner or at the bottom. If you don't have a photo, you'll see your first initial instead. Then, tap Manage your Google account. It's at the top of the menu below your email address. This opens your Google account screen. And tap your current photo. It's at the top center of the screen. A pop-up alert will appear. Then, tap Set Profile Picture on the pop-up. Now, you'll see two new options. But tap Choose from Photos or Gallery. This opens your phone or tablet's gallery. If you'd rather take a new photo right now with your camera, tap Take Photo to open the camera instead. Then, select a photo and tap Accept. If you captured a new photo instead of selecting one, tap Use Photo instead. Your new profile photo now represents you on YouTube and all other Google apps. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.